Confused by the stock market? These tips can help. There is no shortage of ways to invest money and supposed experts, who will help you invest. But knowing what you are doing and understanding the risks is of the utmost importance. Take the time to find out as much as you can and use the useful advice from this video to help you do it the right way. Keep in mind that investing should not be treated lightly. Banks treat stock market investing seriously, and so should you. Even though one may first think of the stock market as gambling, it is more serious than that. Take the time to understand thoroughly everything about the companies that you are investing. Understand the risk involved in the stock market. If you are used to investing in mutual funds, understand that individual stock investing is a greater risk. If you aren't the type of person who is prepared to take a risk, stick with companies that have a good financial standing, and that have shown excellent stock performance in the past. Remember that the market is made of all stocks. There will always be some going up and some going down. Winning stocks can bolster your portfolio even during downturns, whereas losing stocks can hold you back in a boom. Choose carefully, and above all else diversify your holdings. Doing this both minimizes your risks and increases your opportunities to gain. Know the risks of different types of investments. Stocks are generally riskier than bonds, for instance. Riskier investments, generally, have higher payoff potentials, while less risky vehicles tend to provide lower, more consistent returns. Understanding the differences between different vehicles can allow you to make the best decisions about what to do with your money, in both the short and long terms. As you already may have learned, there is no shortage of people who will help you to invest your money. They will all tell you of a chance that is a surefire money maker, but you have to act fast. Always remember that if something sounds too good to be true, then it probably is. Use the advice from this video to make informed choices in investing. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.